Okay, we are now in our main course. Okay, our main course is actually a cordon bleu, and most of you are familiar with the cordon bleu. Okay, so what are your equipments? One that's very important is our tenderizer. Some of you might not have this. You might have a mallet. Okay, ito, pangpalambot lang dun sa ating karne. Okay, sa pagka bago natin i-fry siya, well, it's gonna be tender, it's gonna be soft. And substitute, just in case you don't have a mallet and you don't have this, yung knife na lang pwede natin substitute din. Okay. What are our ingredients? Of course, basic is your chicken. Okay. And kung sakaling walang chicken at gusto nyo may pork kayo, may beef, that's already a different story. It's a ralat. Okay. So that we can have that later. As of now, we just simply have a chicken. And ang pinili po natin dito is breast part ng chicken. Okay. We have here cheese. We have our sausage. If you don't have cheese, substitute nyo, this is potato. Okay. So, you don't have sausage, you can also have hotdog. If you don't have hotdog, kung ano available na gulay siguro sa inyo sa bahay na meron din, or meat products that you have at home. And of course, we have our ham. Pwedeng sweet ham, pwedeng cooked ham, so kung anong available na ham na meron kayo sa bahay. Sabihin nyo naman sa akin, ma'am, wala naman kaming ham. So, isip tayo, ano kayang pwedeng substitute? Okay? Pwedeng mag-create, anong available, baka may itag kayo sa bahay, pwedeng itag. Baka meron kayong beef sa bahay, pero syempre iluto nyo pa ng konti. Sear ng konti yung beef, and then yun po ilalagay natin filling sa loob ng ating cordon bleu. Okay? If you want to add greens, pwede tayong maglagay ng basil, if you have basil leaves. Okay? Pwede rin tayong maglagay ng spinach, if you have. Okay? Pwede rin tayong maglagay ng watercress, kung anong available meron kayo. So there are a lot of options and alternatives for this. Okay. We have our breading, we have flour, we have our eggs, and we have our breadcrumbs. And of course, we need oil for deep fry. Okay, so ito lang po yung ingredients natin. Wala ko po ipapakita sa inyo, of course, basic, is to remove the skin of our chicken. Okay, so we are now removing the skin of the chicken. Eventually, pwede yung sa Pilipino, ito ang ating tinatawag na chicharon. Piniprito nila itong balat ng manok. So, chicharon. Okay? Of course, yung knife na gamit ko, mali po ito. It's a paring knife. But you can use a fillet knife if you have bigger knives that you have at home. Okay? So, ito po yung ating matulis na kutsilyo. Okay? Gandang klase po ito. Remove the breast from your chicken bone. Okay? So, yung po yung bone. Ang kailangan po talaga natin dito yung ating laman. It's the breast. There you are. So, ito po, dalawang breast po yan. The other side. That's the one. Okay. So, yung bones pwede natin gamitin later for our stock. Because next week, you're going to make already your stocks for other recipes that you'll be having. Okay. So, ito po yung ating breast. From here, we'll simply have to slice this. Okay. So, as I mentioned, if you have a fillet knife, it would be better. Okay. Yung po mas maganda talaga. Again, I'm sure not all of you may have that fillet knife at home. Nagiging resourceful lang po tayo. Ano pwede natin gamitin. Hindi nyo po isasagad na ikakat. Okay? We're simply flattening our breast part. Okay? So, you have it there. Flat na po siya. Para wide po siya. Tignan natin yung mga parts na pwede pa nating slice. Please do not worry kung naghiwalay po yung laman. Kasi mamaya, pagka nilagay na po natin, flat na rin po siya. Okay. Sabi nga, flat na. Okay. So, there you are. Tingnan nyo. Hawak po natin doon, pero yan, white na po siya. Okay, so what are you going to do next? You're going to use a plastic, okay, a clean plastic. Okay, so you have it here. You flatten that. You can now use your mallet or a tenderizer just to evenly flatten your chicken. Okay. Again, do not worry kung ito po ay maghihiwalay. Why do you need the plastic, a clean plastic, para hindi po matutulog totally yung inyong chicken? Okay. Anong mangyayari pag hindi nyo natin ito? Magiging makapal yung inyong chicken. Okay. So, at both sides, okay, tignan natin kung flat na po siya. Flat na po. So, kasi available yung ating mallet. So, you have it here. Okay. So, there you are. I can now place my salt and pepper, okay? You have here your pepper, your salt, okay? Evenly distributed. Pabaliktarin lang po natin, okay? Pitin ko lang po ulit. Ito yung pinaka-importanting dapat magawa sa cordon bleu natin. Okay. Again, you place your salt and pepper evenly distributed. Okay, our salt and pepper. There you are. Now, you have to place your ham. Okay. Kung malaki masyado yung ating ham, pwede nating hiwain. Okay, kasi masyadong malaki siya. So, you have to cut it from there. And then you can place now your cheese. Okay. Kung gusto niyo mas malaking cheese, or you can place hotdog. Okay. Pero itong hotdog po natin, na-slice na po natin na manipis kanina. Okay. So, I simply have to roll this. Okay. So, nakita niyo po kung paano ko po ni-roll. Andun po balot na balot yung ating cheese at yung ating hotdog at yung ating ham. Okay? Okay lang na may konting lalabas. Okay? Yung iba nilalagyan nila ng toothpick. Ako, hindi ko na po nilalagyan ng toothpick. Kasi pagka pinalot ko na po ito, swak na po siya dun sa ating breading, hindi na po kailangan lagyan ng toothpick. Okay? So, there you are. This is now the chicken. So we're back. We're here with our chicken that has been rolled earlier. Okay, our cordon bleu. We'll now place it in your flour. Okay, ito na po yung ating flour. Flat po yung pinaglagyan nating plate kasi kung hindi po siya flat, ay mahirapan po tayo. Kung bowl po yan, hindi po makukot yung ating chicken cordon bleu. From here, you now place it in your eggs. Okay. Kasi yung eggs po, siya yung magko-coat ng ating breadcrumbs. So, double breading po siya. Then, we go now to our breadcrumbs. Okay. From here, we can now fry this. Okay. So, fry na po natin. Tignan natin na ma-tight po siya. So, you don't really need the toothpick. Okay? But some, you know, definitely they place a toothpick. Pero yan, makapal na po yan. Siksik na po yan. Okay. So, we're gonna fry it. We're gonna fry now our cordon bleu. So, you have your hot oil. Yan na. Pasik siya. Okay. Minsan, sabi, paano ba yung test kung yung mantika mo ay may init na? Yan ako yung talsik niya. Okay. So, it's hot. You now fry our cordon bleu. There you are. Okay. Minsan, ito, kung ang order sa inyo, super dami. Nako. Ang nilagay natin sa loob kanina, cheese. Naglagay tayo ng ham at naglagay po tayo ng hotdog. Sabi ko nga kanina, pwedeng lagyan din siya ng basil. It will taste good. You can also place spinach. You can place watercress. Okay, yung iba, lalagyan pa nila kung ano ng mga herbs and spices. Pero again, paano po available sa bahay? Meron lang po tayo laging salt and pepper. Yun po, nilagay na po natin yung salt and pepper nito. Okay, pwede ang sauce natin later nito ay pwedeng ketchup lang, pwedeng Thousand Island dressing ulit, pwede rin ulit yung garlic sauce natin. Okay, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng gravy kung meron kayong gravy. Okay, again, this is supposed to be golden brown. Gold lang po siya. Huwag po natin masyadong tostahin. Okay? So, you have it here. This is our chicken cordon bleu. Na-flatten na po naman po ito kanina, kaya siguradong luto po ito sa loob. Okay? And yung ating ham, madali din maluto. Pati yung hotdog po was already pre-cooked. Okay? And, of course, the cheese. Hindi lang po natin hayaan mag-melt yung ating cheese. Depende ulit kung anong available na cheese sa bahay. Diba? Kung meron kayong mozzarella, ay mas masarap. Pero, siyempre, ang common cheese na meron tayo sa bahay or sa grocery, Eden, or quick melt, or cheesy, or Gaines, kahit na anong cheese po ang pwede natin gamitin. Huwag lang ang ating parmesan na powder. Okay. Yan. It's golden blue, golden gold. This is our chicken cordon bleu, crispy. Wala na po yung oil niyan. Okay. There you are. Ipi-plating na lang po natin mamaya. Okay. Palamigin lang po natin ng konti bago natin yung slicing. Pero kung gusto niyo lumalabas po yung cheese, you can already slice it, okay? Pero you prefer na you let it cool for a while, and you're gonna cut it, okay? Okay. So we have here our cordon bleu. Na-fry na po natin, pinakul po natin, ng panandalian lang para pagka ni-slice natin, okay na po siya. Okay. So, we have to slice it now. So, if you wish it to cut diagonal, or gusto nyo straight, ito kasi ilalagyan po natin ng konting style para mas maganda pa yung itsura ng ating cordon bleu. Okay, kung magkano po ito sa restaurant, hindi ko po alam, pero mura lang po siya talaga. There you are, our chicken. Okay, it's really tender or juicy. Okay, so ayan po, lagyan na po natin dito. Okay, there you are. Po ang ating cordon bleu with our sauce. Okay. Ayan. Okay. This is our cordon bleu. Thank you.